Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, computer and mobile. First of all, let's see how to turn off and turn on restricted mode from computer. On your computer, open YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Now, click on your profile at the top right. And here, you will find this restricted mode. Click on that. And now, from here, you can easily enable restricted mode by toggle this on. And to disable restricted mode, just disable this option. And this is how we can do it on computer. And now let's see the process in mobile. On your mobile, go ahead and launch YouTube. Sign into your account and now tap on your profile photo at the bottom right. Tap on this gear icon at the top right and tap on General. And here you will get restricted mode. To disable restricted mode, just toggle this switch off. And this is how we can turn off restricted mode on YouTube from mobile and computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you.